Hello guys and welcome back to the latest video of Indian All-Rounder, and we are here after a little bit of time because of the curfew. Everyone is ouch, I don't know why I do this weird thing, but alright, let's get up this time, really up I mean. So guys, we are back and currently 21-day lockdown is going on in India due to the coronavirus, as you all know I guess. So here we are back on the Minecraft. Actually there was a rain and storm due to which the net was not working on, so I was not able to either create or upload videos, so it has been a little bit of time, and now the net is kind of working and hopefully will not stop. So we are here for not very long period of time, but actually for a small period of time, and we are here to make a little bit of modification in our wall so that we have a way to go out and come in, and I think I'm going to make that here. This is kind of nice place, so let's get rid of 2 pieces of walls from here like that. Let's dig 2 blocks down. This is going to be very simple mechanism except for this issue. Alright, we will have to, no, actually we don't actually need to seal that up, we can just work with it, it is not going to cause any trouble anyway. So let's place 1 piston here, 1 piston here. Let's place this wall, come on, place the wall here and here, then dig 2 blocks down here, connect these guys with the redstone. Wait, do I have shovel? Yes, I don't know why I'm wasting so much of my own time. Let's do this. Now what we need to do is we need to dig here, here, and I think here, not very sure about it. Let's place a piston facing this side. Right, let's place a redstone block here. Then we have space there, right? Yes, we do have space there. Good. Then let's grab this and patch this up. Get out of here, patch this up. Now what we need to do is, I think our work here is done. Now all that we need to do is we have to place one button here. On pressing this, the wall will get down. Another button should be in the opposite side if I'm not wrong. Alright, let's dig here, place a redstone. Alright, we have to go from below the wall, and I guess now I'm going to get up. Yes, and I am obviously on the opposite side of the wall, and I just want the switches to be symmetrical, so I'm just going to get rid of little bit of this. Alright, let's place this here and let's get out. Let's go back in, and we will have to dig a little bit this side so that our redstone dust do not touch the redstone block, practically destroying all of our work. And hopefully this is done. Wait, what have I done? So let's see. What we have to do now is we have to get up and come on, get up, and we have to get this here. It's a little bit of confused where we have to get the button. I don't think this is going to work. Oh yes, it is working perfect. So now we have this mechanism here. I don't want grass to come in my way. So when we place this button, the walls will get down, and after a second they will automatically come back, just like that. Let's patch this up from here, and now we have a way. And we can also get a lever instead of this, but I think it's just better with the buttons, I guess. That's alright, I guess. We can have many different kind of things instead of button. We can have pressure plates, and we can also have levers, pressure plate, anything, many things. Great. Now this is working perfectly. I don't know if this is nice idea or not, but I am thinking to try to fight the Enderman. He just ran away, right? He's so afraid of me. Let's get out of here with our new mechanism set rocking. Let's get here. Let's see what's going on. Hopefully all of the villagers are fine and okay, because I don't know why they just keep dying. What's the condition of my melons? I think getting their way blocked by trees. Get out. Hopefully these will grow, because I don't have many melon seeds. Or actually I have a better idea. I must have done this before. Because we do have what we can say is known as bones, which can be used to produce. All we need to do is we have to produce bone mills, right? And for that we will need few bones. I'm just going to take a little bit more, just because we have bones, and I don't think bones have too many functions in the game. So let's grab the bones and come on, go up just like that, and wait until we reach up. All right, and we are up. Let's get there quickly. All right, great. How do we bone meal things? All right. How much bone meal this needs? Oh, this is gone. All right. I think that it didn't work. What's up? I cannot understand. I got 2 seeds of melons. Do they ever grow or just like that? I don't know what and why. But another thing that I have to try is, yes, bone mealing this sapling. I don't think it is going to grow anyway. It will take a little bit too much. The better option for me is to just go and get wood by simple easy method. I have to read about melons now. I don't think I know much about melons. So guys, that's all for today. All now we are going to do is we are going to sleep, and bye guys, take care, sayonara.